Hi guys, this will be a very quick video where I'll be sharing my DIY lip scrub that I do at home to take care of my lips, because this is like end of the year. It's about to be holiday, Christmas, Harmattan season. If you're Nigerian, you know this time is when we're kind of expecting Harmattan and it gets a little drier. So your body care, your face care, your lips especially need special TLC, which is what this scrub does for me. Now I do this pretty often, like maybe twice or thrice a week depending on how I'm feeling. You can do this every other day if you want, or once a week depending on your need level. It's a very simple scrub that you can do because it uses just 2-3 ingredients at most, which is what your sugar, either white or brown granulated sugar. It has to be granulated because you need it to perform the scrub function, and sugar is also a great humectant, so it helps drawing moisture from the atmosphere onto your lips. Then you also need organic honey, or any kind of honey you can lay your hands on, but I buy from our local market here, so it's pretty organic, so I use honey. And then I use apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is not 100% compulsory, but this is just my personal preference. I just like how it breaks down the mixture. You're going to see what I mean when I start mixing, and it also helps shed whatever dead skin you might have on your lips. So let's get to mixing. To mix all of this, I'll be using this simple plain glass bowl. You can use a smaller bowl in case you want to make the one you're going to store, but for the purpose of this tutorial I'm just using this glass bowl. So I'm measuring about 1 tablespoon of the sugar into the bowl. This is quite large, I'm not going to lie, but I think I'll use this for like 2 or 3 times. And then I'm going to use about, let's say, half a teaspoon of the honey, or even less because I don't want it to be a lot. And then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of the apple cider vinegar, just a little bit. So what I have is something like this. I'm going to go ahead and mix it with my fingers into a paste. So now that it's mixed, I have a very thick steady paste like this. I'm going to go ahead and start applying it to my lips now. Remember that sugar is like very hard in terms of the granules, so be very gentle while you're scrubbing your lips, because in a bit to exfoliate, you don't want to cause tears or injury to your lips. So this can get a little messy while you are applying the scrub. I personally don't mind because I have some white heads around my lips anyway, so this kind of helps get rid of them. After doing it for like a minute or 2, I kind of just let it sit on my lips for another 10-15 minutes depending on what I'm doing. If I'm in the shower, then I don't wait that long, but if I have something else to do, I just keep it on for 10 minutes or so, and then I go and wash it off with water. So now that that's come off, I just basically buff any excess dead skin or sugar that I might have on my lip. I'm just using a very soft this foamy stuff that I used to wash my face, so I'm just going over my lips with it. You can use any towel or soft cloth that you have. Remember that as with all exfoliating process, once you are done with the process itself, your skin or any surface that you've just exfoliated is very tender at that time, so please go very gently. So the scrub is off and my lips feel very smooth and soft. Now to seal up this entire thing, and this step is very important, if you have any lip balm you like or any lip oil, you can go ahead and do that. But for me, what I find works the best is Shea Butter. That's Ori. Anybody can get Shea Butter from anywhere. I don't know where you are staying or where you're watching this from, but Shea Butter is like the king of sealing. I use it around my eyes nowadays. I use it to moisturize my lips too, especially after I've just scrubbed it. So I have it in this small container. I have a huge tub, and then I put it in little containers like this so I can put it in my toiletry bag or anywhere that I'm going. So I'm going to take a little bit of that Shea Butter and I'm applying it all over my lips. At this point, you'll be able to feel how soft and smooth your lips are. Just try this and let me know. My lips are smooth, exfoliated, clean. There's no flakiness anywhere. If I want to put on any lipstick or any lip product, it goes on very smoothly, and I don't look crusty. That's the entire point of all of this. So that's it, guys. Very simple lip scrub that you can DIY right in the comfort of your home with just sugar, honey, and apple cider vinegar, and just a little with some shea butter. Very simple, but it works like magic, you guys. If you try this scrub, I promise you won't use any store-bought scrub ever again. Okay, so let me know what you think about this scrub. Have you tried it before? Do you have other DIY lip scrubs that you do at home? Let me know in the comment section. I'll be responding there. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do that before you leave. Just hit the subscribe button down below. Very easy, very simple, and you're in. I really appreciate your support. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.